Any thoughts, ladies?
I mean, it's
I'm
beautiful.
so hungry.
I need lunch. Like the background.
A YouTuber at work.
Wait, here we go, ready?
Oh my god, are we vlogging? I've always wanted to be in a
Here,
YouTuber's vlog.
you're in a YouTuber's vlog right now. With the church
Like
in the
and
background.
subscribe.
Comment.
Oh yeah.
What'd you get?
When with the Vitor,
When he comes out, he almost like
it's just a little thing.
Okay.
It looks like this.
Like, how much was it?
11 euros.
It's as big as your head.
It's my crown. I'm the queen of Assisi.
The background. The background.
It's so pretty.
I have my huge ass meringue. Am I allowed to cuss?
Yeah.
Ass. Doesn't like it.
What is that? I don't like it.
Okay, well I like it. Thanks, Claire. I love you.
Wait, this is what I got ready. Let's see if I get it. Oh. Nutella.
You haven't eaten it yet?
That looks so. No, should I eat? That part. I think it's Nutella.
It looks like it.
I don't know. It's pretty good though. Oh. Alright, we need a table. Oh wait, should we set this big one? I get the head of the table. Welcome. You're all being recorded.
Oh, good. I'm glad you just caught me.
I caught you like I just caught you like
Hey guys,
climbing
welcome
over.
to my channel. Like and subscribe. Hit the button down below.
So cute.
Hey, Rachel, while you're getting water, we got me.
On the fun channel. Is that how you say it? You ready?
Warm bread, very olivey, very oily. Wait, I want to be a vlogger now.
Okay.
I'd be the worst vlogger ever.
Okay. What are your thoughts?
Like olive oil.
Yeah. I think it's actually really good. I'm not usually an olive oil person,
I
but
don't know if they salted
This is
the
definitely
bread.
better than what I've had before.
yeah.
I don't know if it's the bread or the oil.
Something salty in a good way.
Ready? You just gotta wait. Ciao. Ciao.